Bye, Sam.
Back off! Back off!
No.
I love
You don't. Do you think you're the first person to feel this way? We don't get to do this.
Bubba.
We don't get to do this!
Bubba.
We are not allowed. We don't get to be this!
Bubba, please.
Sip and smash bumper cups!
Beware the tea! It burns like the chorizo!
Perimeter motion sensors?
Check.
Non-lethal spray string snares?
Check!
Hey!
Hildy!
I can't stop! I really can't stop! I'm out of control!
I just wanted to help her problem solve faster.
Wow! Look! That must be the Unicorn Queen.
Piper Paloma! Thank you so much for returning my tiara. I'm so relieved.
Go ahead, Casey. You do the invite. And make it royal.
Royal? Oh, okay. Ready?
We did it!